Do one of these controversial modifications to my car. Purists are going to hate it. Some people are going to love it. There's an entire class now at car shows for it. And I grew up in the Fast and the Furious era. Sorry. I've always wanted Underglow. Never had them. I see it's making a big comeback in the Foxbody community. That's what we're doing. So sorry, purist. I blame Altered Stangs for this. Welcome back to the Mod Addict. So today is hopefully going to be something that I've been looking forward to for a very long time. I was supposed to have last week free, and it ended up like 4 freaking doctor's appointments in 1 week, and ended up with a emergency trip to the hospital for my daughter. So it's been hectic, and then Christmas and all this, but yeah, I blame Altered Things for this video, but also boosting bad habits did not help. I don't know if y'all have caught their video, but what I'm talking about today is essentially just a cheap Amazon Underglow kit. Now this is the kit like Altered Sting had and boosting bad habits. It's got this little box here, and you use the app and you can change the colors. It just sticks underneath the car. But first thing I recommend is kind of lay it out, get it undone, wind it up, and kind of lay it like how you want it. Now, you know the longer ones go on the side, the shorter ones go on the front. You got a ton of wiring, but you have to kind of plan where it goes. Boosting Bad Habits did say, you know, they was on a lift and they had a couple people, so it was pretty useful. But Altered Thing did not. So if he can do it, I can do it. That's the way I see it. 8 out here. So these are going to be left or right, so they're staying in the middle. I brought the one to the back. This one has got plenty of room to go up front. Altered Thing said his kit didn't have enough wiring, but he also ran his through the car. You know, he was really good about tucking his stuff up. I'm going to have mine tucked up, but I'm probably not going to go in as much detail as he did. So we'll start with this front one and then move on. I'm a little curious to see how this is going to look when it's lit up, because some of these, they said the wiring wasn't long enough, but their side strips was a lot longer than mine. I did put them on the subframe connectors. That's what everybody seems to do on these cars, because it sets low and in, so it's not creating a hard line on the outside. And got the front and the back on. The front is on the core support, which is what most people do. It gives it a set in and lights up more instead of putting a hard line. I'm trying to demonstrate, not even have the phone right. I do not have the wiring tidied up, but up here it is zip tied up on this rail. It goes in here with the factory stuff, goes over, and I got to zip tie it down. I got to find out where I'm going to bring this box. I'm hoping I have enough room to bring it up and put it like right here. If I can do that, that'll save me a lot of headache. It does come with these plastic little brackets, so anywhere you're going where you can actually screw into a piece of plastic or something of that sort, you can use these and they will help. That's the shape of the light tray, I guess you could say. And then this is the harness right here. It just plugs into that box. What I'm going to do real quick is just I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and kind of jump it. I want to see what this looks like. If I don't like it, I can tear it off. It was like 20 bucks. Didn't cost me anything. It was a Amazon gift card thing for my birthday, so it didn't cost me nothing. Something I've seen people doing is running it off a toggle switch. This is why. Now, mind you, I already had a spot for a toggle switch there. I just filled the hole with a toggle switch because there was a hole already drilled there. And I figured I'll use it for that. Now I can use that for something else, because every video I've seen, it didn't show that it actually had on and off on the remote. I can turn these off by this remote. So, I'm definitely going to get this hardwired. And, yeah, I'm even more excited. This is what I was afraid of. There's such a little spot and then nothing. That looks good. This, I feel like everything needs to come forward a couple of inches. Everything back here, ignore them spots from Scarlet. And then over here, it's going to be the same story. Everything needs to go forward. About I don't know, about right here, I would think. That's a little bit more gooder. You gotta think that when it's dark, it's gonna cast it a little bit better. But yeah, there we go. I like that a lot better, so I gotta match the other side. It's a little bit darker out. You can tell it looks way better since I adjusted it. Go over here, more to the middle, and you see it's in the middle. It's not like that much in the back, or front rather. Even got it visible in the back. I like it. Picasso.
The next day.
Excuse all the zip ties, but everything is done. Ran nice and neat. Well, neat enough. It runs through right here, comes up. There's the fuse. Runs over to there. All I had is black wire, so I did put some red heat shrink on it, so I know that's a power wire. But now it can be on whether the car is on or not. So you can use the app or you can use the remote. So you can see there's no light on the ground. Turn it on, blue. You can go, it's changing now, but I can just go red, green, blue. It's hard up between purple and this kind of in-between teal color. I love it. On the app, you can go in between colors, like there's a color wheel. You can go, you can make it go to music. Boo, 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 boo. Hey, we're done. Welcome to the Mod Attic. See? So it's just got to be where it can pick up. The car's probably going to be too loud for that to happen, and I don't have the controller on the inside of the car. I have it on the outside, tucked away. Yeah. I'm not going to show you all that. Kind of embarrassing. On a serious note, here it is up underneath. And I'm talking and I'm picking it up. The controller is actually up in here. I have it zip tied and I have it in plastic. But so it shouldn't get wet. But there's a cavity right here and it's up in this cavity. So, but everything is ran up behind the tire. Goes in. That's evap stuff that I wish I could run that different, but I'll probably eventually do that later. But everything underneath is good. I love it. Woo! Well, unfortunately, I'm not going to get night shots of the car if I want this video to be out on time. But, I mean, you can see them in the day. Can't choose between that one or green. Like them both. Y'all have seen some footage at nighttime. I am going to do more footage, of course, of nighttime. I just want to touch base on something. To the Foxbody purist out there, I understand this is not your cup of tea. I don't care. It's my car. The reason I say stuff like this is because when I was researching, looking at videos on YouTube of what kits they used and how it was ran and everything, there was a lot of hate in the comments. Even Ultra Stangs, there's a comment, and it might be his friend, it might be picking on him, but you never know. But it says, I would never desecrate my car with this BS. Like I said, it could be his friend picking on him. But the fact of the matter is, people are really like that because you modified your car to your liking and not theirs. And it's ridiculous. I like this. My kids love it, which is the main thing. My kids' opinion over liking it trumps all of y'all's opinions on whether it's cool or not. So, yeah, all in all, pretty easy install. I will say for this kit to be a cheap kit, I had plenty of wire. The adhesive was really good. I even had to unstick it and stick it back. And only one little section. I used 3M VHB, which is very high bond, in one spot that didn't want to stick back. But I think I applied it too soon. The alcohol hadn't dried, and I tried to stick it to alcohol pretty much. Getting it adjusted was easy. And I ran over the wire lifting the car with a jack and completely smashed it in one spot. And it still works just fine. I thought for sure I was going to have to splice and fix that area. Altered Stang did cut his harness and make it longer, and I think it's like 4 little wires in there, so it's not like it's a huge deal if I had to do that. He did it to his, but yeah. So let me know what y'all think. Y'all like the underbody LEDs or whatever? I gotta clean some of this up. We got a desk delivered. We got all kind of stuff out here. But yeah, I will get some night pictures, rolling shots, things like that, and we'll get them up. But yeah, very simple install, and I got everything ran pretty nice and neat for this car. I mean, everything's tucked in and zip tied and out of the way, and everything up underneath the car's secure. And yeah, so sorry, purist, but it's done. Before I go, I'm going to leave a link in the description for Altered Stangs. Thank you. You kind of give me the motivation I needed to do this. So, thank you. This is the Mod Addict, and we out.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around. I